走开。Okay, guys, it's very night. It's like 11 o'clock like now. Okay, it's very night now. Look at this. It's raining outside. Oh my god. Do you feel something? I got some rain. Ah, I had it wet. Because it's raining outside. Oh my god. Look at this. You guys see the raining? Oh my god. You hear it? There. It's raining outside. So I forgot what. And tomorrow we're going to do an epic videos. So comment down below if you want to see more epic videos. And subscribe down below though. And see you guys. Oh no. Do not say. He said that. Okay. Go. Chào hi. Hi. Chào mama. Oh my god, this is my bed. Whoa! I just jumped on the Let's out! Nice, I want to sleep at 10, 11 o'clock. See you guys next morning. Bye.